guys, a few days ago I was in a little situation. I want to do some recording, but the in-laws were here and I need something fast and inexpensive so I can do some recording. And as you can see that I have a very small setup. I record most of my stuff with just a simple basic mic, which is the blue snowball ice. So I decided I need something fast, so I decided to go on Amazon to look for a small microphone isolation windshield. So this is it. One thing that I like about this, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, has 4 section where you can fold it. Well, basically it's 5 section, but it has 4 points where you can fold. So the one I had before has only 2 points. Maybe that's not the way of saying it, but 2 panels. Basically you have the back panels and then the 2 side panels that can be folded. But this one I like it that it has all these points or panels that you can actually fold for maximum isolation. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's mounted on my tripod right now, and as you can see I have my blue snowball ice microphone here. So yeah, so this is great, and it actually records pretty good. Actually was able to isolate quite a bit amount of sounds coming from the background. In-laws. You know that if my wife watched this video, I'm gonna get cream. But anyway, so this is it. So this is a quick review, and it opens up pretty good. I would say it's maybe about a little bit under 3 feet. So for the price, it's a great little lifesaver. Okay, well anyway, that's it. Quick review. The link will be at the bottom. So if you guys are interested, check it out. Thank you. Bye.